Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use the stock screener on Robinhood. First, open your Robinhood app and locate the search bar. Tap it, then scroll down to find the stock screener option. This tool helps you filter through thousands of stocks to find potential investments. We'll explore its layout and primary features, like setting basic filters for market capitalization and price to earnings. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for effective stock research. Let's dive in and get you started with this powerful feature. Now, let's refine your search. The Robinhood Stock Screener offers numerous filters beyond the basics. You can narrow down stocks by industry, sector, or even dividend yield, helping you align results with your personal investment strategy. Don't hesitate to experiment with different combinations. For more precise targeting, explore advanced options like analyst ratings or earnings per share. Customizing these settings allows you to uncover opportunities that truly fit your unique financial objectives and risk tolerance. Once you've applied your filters, the screener will present a list of stocks. It's time to analyze these results carefully. Look at key data points for each company, such as their current stock price, daily trading volume, and recent performance trends. This information helps you quickly assess if a stock warrants further investigation. Remember, the screener is a starting point. Always conduct deeper due diligence before making any investment decisions. Use it to efficiently narrow down your focus. To maximize your efficiency, consider saving your preferred screening criteria. This allows you to quickly revisit your custom searches without re-entering all the filters. Robinhood also provides other valuable research tools and news feeds that complement the screener, offering a holistic view of potential investments. Always stay informed and continuously learn. And hey, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.